and today there's a new update in Blast Fruits. It has been there for a long time, but we just didn't do a video about it yet. So basically, it gives free fruits. So we are here for the free fruits.
And
But the guy who is like what do you call Joy Boy 2, the Phoenix, also known as Kianch, has it. Well, guys, there's something wrong with my phone which he's playing on.
I won't get the fruit.
Are you joining?
Wait, I think I have to do this slowly. Process.
Wait, let me see if you're there. You're not here. Oh yeah, you're here. Kianch, hello. Kianch.
It's moving me. Let me reset.
Reset.
I'm trying to. Wait.
Guys, there's something. Wait, he can move again, guys.
But your phone is glitching.
It's okay. At least just come to the middle.
I'm just not in the game. I mean, we can't hear us.
I'm just thought in the chat.
He's killing the saw.
Okay. Guys, I'm just killing a saw while we are here trying to get the present, and Kianch is lagging because he's playing on my phone.
Wait, I got a better idea.
What? What are you doing? Leave it.
Wait, I can make it on time.
Yeah, of course. Because my phone is not that laggy that you can't make it in 10 minutes.
Wait, let me off your phone and then on it. Maybe that will work. If it keeps blinking, then there's a problem with your phone.
Guys, the presents will drop in 10 minutes. This is so cool.
And
We have already done a lot of these in our main account, so let's talk about them. So first is the uncommon presents. They give like uncommon,
at least I got
rare and legendary. What do you call?
There is a chance of a mythic, very low chance.
Very low chance.
But
And then in the rare presents, there's then the same thing, but there's a little higher chance of getting a mythic. And in the mythical present,
No, in the
legendary present, yeah,
there's a
very high chance.
and in the mythic, it's guaranteed.
Yeah, in the mythic presents, it's right.
So I hope
Sorry guys that this thing is there. I don't know what is this thing. Yeah.
my phone keeps glitching. Can you answer now?
It happens. Wait, I'll take you.
No, I'm mad. So, I have a question here.
Yeah.
Could I be a computer?
No.
It's just taking me. Oh no!
Where are you?
I don't know.
Spawn. Reset. Yeah, I reset it.
Wait, did I fix the glitch? I hope it did. Try moving properly where you asked.
No. Then it will glitch again.
Just try it to make sure.
No, then this way it will be guaranteed you're there. Still 8 minutes left. Ansh, are you coming to the present island?
Use chat.
Use chat. Nobody can hear. Oh yeah. Wait, Kianch is coming. My phone is lagging, Ansh. No, like I am doing that for him.
Go in the middle, like not the white part. Yeah.
Now don't move. Guys, he finally made it. Where is he? Yeah, hello.
I can't move yet.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Dang it. Wait, then how will I move to get my present?
Then.
I have to go slowly.
Yeah. Why you dashed? You're out of the circle now.
Wait, did I dash?
Yes, you did. Guys, my phone too laggy.
It keeps Stop.
That's not me.
Tell them to stop. You know what? I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, that works.
Guys, we just found a method to stop the glitch.
But I can't move.
Yeah, he can't move.
So
This is basically Squid Game, bruh. He can't move.
so guys.
Okay, guys, in just a few more minutes.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, my birthday is tomorrow, so please type happy birthday in the chats. Also known as comments. Also known as the Kian's Destroyer.
Hey.
But I want you guys to roast him in the comments.
Hey, oh, don't do that. Wait, I figured out.
Figured out how to stop the glitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see you move.
Oh no.
No! Kian, stop!
No.
Yes, you're doing too far. Kian,
Oh no. How long?
5 minutes.
I gotta come back.
So, see that this is how I hide and I
Wait. Jumping works. Oh no.
and jump.
No. Stop. No. Guys.
Guys, I don't think Kian will be able to take the present because of my phone.
No. Can you give me a suit at this?
Let me try to fix my phone.
Just go quick. Oh no. Dying. And did you get Chaksa? Ah. Jumping makes it worse, doesn't it? Okay.
No, it doesn't.
Oh wait.
It makes it better. Now don't move. Don't move. Even a little bit.
Okay.
Because then you won't be able to get your...
Hold hands.
What?
Hold my hands.
Hey, you.
No. Hold.
Oh, yeah. Hold.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm holding his hand and dick right now. We don't even have a crew yet, bruh. Why is somebody... You need level 300 to make a crew.
Oh, I am in a crew.
What?
Wait, what happened?
Nothing. Don't touch. Don't touch
I'm angry.
this. Some of other people doing all of these things.
Stop.
Stop. My friend is phone player. He glitching. He glitching.
Wait.
Don't just do. Well, at least you're still in the circle. Jump. Jump makes it better. Well, at least you're in the circle. That's all.
This is gonna be the worst video ever.
Then with 2 times he expanded. Sundar has this gun.
I hope I get a good fruit.
Yeah, guys, he needs it. Type in good fruit luck in the comments.
Actually, this video, I hope this video gets many views and subscribers
Yeah, because this is very hard for this guy here.
to make videos. But tomorrow is a special thing, so we won't be able to struggle making videos finally. As you guys know, it's his birthday. So
I just said that.
yeah, so because of that, there's one good thing. No lag for me because of one thing,
Yeah.
which we can't tell anyone, even you guys.
He can't even talk about it, so just shut up.
Oh yeah. So how, bro? What will I get? Guess. Try guess.
Buddha.
I hope I get kitchen.
Now you'll get Buddha.
Oh!
Just stay in that stream. Stop touching the screen, then it will.
Wait, moving like this, the black screen is not coming.
Then just keep on doing.
Tell them to stop!
I can't say a bad
Or
word.
else, I said stop. Tell them to stop, or else I'll kill them.
Yes.
With my man.
T T T T T T T T T T T T T.
Wait, someone is Venom. Will this give me good
Beep
luck?
beep 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 beep. Stop! Because of that, it's glitching even more. Because I said it in so many words. Better. Why is Ansh literally like jumping so much? Oh, he has dual katanas? No, he has triple katanas.
I got like.
I have the duals. And you don't even have a katana. He's a combat, guys. He has combat.
No, I have dual katanas, so I just need temple.
Guys, if I could show you his screen, that would be so good.
Yeah, then. Can you tell us?
Another guy just said the same thing I did. Hey, Tianchana, don't do anything bad.
Guys,
Like dash. Don't dash.
guys, can you do one thing, me a favor? Go in comments and tell us how to make both of our screens come. Like, we don't know.
Yeah, guys, we need to know because I want to play with this guy.
You'll be sure even that.
Yeah. Okay, Tianch, I think you got a present.
Is it nearby?
I don't know. It might be. No. Okay, guys, we are not opening the present if not all of us get it. Where is Tianch? Tianch, show me.
I see my present. It's right there.
I'll get you your present. I'll get you your present. Oh, wait, some guy just gave me a free dart. Oh! Some guy just gave me a free dart, guys.
I took my present and gonna open it.
Let's open it now. Oh, Ansh already opened his. He got a barrier.
Oh, guys, I'm storing it because it's very glitchy. And now, because
I'm opening mine. Let's see. Oh, I got a ghost. I'm eating that. Hey, Ansh, is ghost better than light?
No. Even I say no.
But Ghostbusters is like so good.
I got an uncommon row.
I'm storing this too. God, wait, you got an. I also got an uncommon.
Did I?
Oh, guys, this is so cool.
I'm opening it.
Guys, he can't.
Wait. I got a light.
Guys, he got a light. Store it. Store it.
Wait, someone's giving me a flame. Give it.
Guys, should we end the video there or should we do more? I think we should do more.
Sorry, I can't.
Guys, he's leaving the game, but I think before we end it off, we should do something.
Wait.
Wait, did Ansh just leave? No, he joined.
Wait. Guys, so I got to check what actually happened. And we're actually going to continue this video for a little while.
Yeah, guys,
Wait, he joined into his main.
Wait. Our friend just joined into his main. Why? Kamato Tanjiro? So, guys, our next video will actually be on our mains.
Why do you go to vibrate?
What? Oh, that's whenever my phone is ringing, it vibrates.
Maybe that's the flush.
It's off it.
Let's see if that works.
Let's see if that works, guys. And if it works, then it will be a happy day for him. So, guys, I'm actually just going to Snow Island because that's what I'm trying now.
Oh, wait for me. I want.
And our friend just joined on his main, and then like he just left on his main, but he's still there on his alt.
Or should I join in my main now?
But then I can't join on my
Wait,
main.
Rose in his main still.
No, he's not there. he went to the second sea.
What happened on? Oh.
Oh, you just joined me.
Yeah, I did.
I'm going to Snowy Island. You wanna kill Yeti?
Yeah, wait for me. I'm lagging.
That's so
I
funny.
just don't like your phone.
Yeah, but you
But
won't have to use it anymore.
After tomorrow. Wait, check if Yeti's even there.
Oh yeah.
Or maybe.
So guys, we are just gonna kill the Yeti once, and then we have to end the video. Cause it has been a long time, bro.
Guys, it's still relax.
Guys, I guess he can't come with me.
Wait. I think I fixed it.
I literally.
But I fixed it.
Yeah, what?
Yeah?
Yes, your mom is calling you.
Okay, guys, my friend has to go, so we can't even kill the Yeti. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye.